So Manchester United are the winners of this year's FA Cup. I can't believe it. It took me around 2 hours, yeah, 2 hours to realize that ये हो चुका है. हमने मैनचेस्टर सिटी जो कि मेरे पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से बेस्ट टीम इन द वर्ल्ड है, हमने उनको completely आउटप्ले किया है. नाउ आई डोंट वांट टू बी एरोगेंट व्हेन आई से दिस, बट मैन सिटी डिड नॉट प्ले वेल. मैन सिटी का जो स्टैंडर्ड है, जो स्टैंडर्ड उन्होंने खुद सेट किया है अपने लिए, दे डिडंट प्ले अकॉर्डिंग टू दिस स्टैंडर्ड्स. ऑब्वियसली द मेन रीज़न जो मुझे लगती है मुझे है कि दे वर नॉट शार्प इनफ. बिकॉज अभी 2-3 दिन पहले उनकी अल्कोहल पीते हुए और इस तरह की फ़ोटोज़ आ रही थी. ऑब्वियसली बिकॉज दे बिकेम द चैम्पियंस ऑफ इंग्लैंड फॉर द फोर्थ टाइम इन अ बाउंस, वो भी ऑन अ बाउंस लास्ट संडे. तो आई थिंक दैट इज़ वन ऑफ द मेजर अफेक्टिंग फैक्टर्स जो कि आज हमने देखा कि सिटी की टीम जो है उससे इफेक्ट काफ़ी ज़्यादा हुई थी. हालैंड विद द वेरी अंडरवेलमिंग परफॉर्मेंस, केविन डी ब्रुयने को 56 मिनट पे उतार लिया गया था. एंड आई थिंक कि ही ऑल्सो डिडंट प्ले वेल बिकॉज दैट इज़ द रीज़न दैट ही वॉज टेकन ऑफ. फोर्डन गॉट अ वेरी गुड चांस, जो कि नॉर्मली फिल फोर्डन विल स्कोर दैट, because he literally just won the best player of the Premier League this season, and the season he's having, he scores anything right now. But he also was not uh, in the best of his forms today. And if we talk about Manchester United, United completely outplayed Man City. At least if we are talking about the first half के अंदर United were phenomenal. United ने कोई mistakes नहीं की. Amrabat was great, McTominay was great, Bruno Fernandes is absolutely brilliant. He is brilliant. He is the best creative player in the Premier League right now. It is sad that he doesn't play for teams like City, because I'm 100% sure if he was playing for Man City, KDB or Bruno would have been on the same level. Great managers like Pep Guardiola, Jurgen Klopp, even the players, even Kevin De Bruyne in one of his video with Sky Sports, he said that Bruno Fernandes is the best creative midfielder of the Premier League. He's a creative machine, and we just saw what he did. Aaj the same thing. His creativity is amazing. It's flawless, and the what a pass! What a fucking pass! जो कि which led to the second goal of Manchester United. पहले गोल की अगर हम बात करें तो obviously that was a mistake by Man City's defender, but we take those. I could not care less that it was a mistake. We take those, and that was a 1-0 goal for Garnacho, and then came Kobe Mainu with a beautiful finesse shot, and it was a great pass from Garnacho and on to Bruno, and then Bruno to Menu. It was a great goal. लास्ट पर थोड़े से जो हैं वो दिल मुंह में आ गया था क्योंकि डोकू स्कोर्ड वन, एंड दैट वाज अ मिस्टेक फ्रॉम ओनाना. बट अदर देन दैट ओनाना वाज एक्सीलेंट. ही हैड काइल वॉकर के उसने अच्छे भले दो जो हैं आउटसाइड ऑफ द बॉक्स शूट सेव किए. दैट वाज ग्रेट. इफ यू टॉक अबाउट आम्रबाद, आई एम नॉट इवन श्योर कि उसको जाने देना चाहिए, because like that is the same thing we did with Sabitzer and see what he's doing right now in the Champions League. So I think we might make him permanent this summer, but let's see what happens with that, because he has been performing great for United in the last 2-3 games he has played. And then let's address the elephant in the room. Do I want Eric Ten Hag to be sacked? I said before the game, I don't want Eric Ten Hag to be sacked. I said, regardless of the score, I don't want Eric Ten Hag to be sacked, because he is the manager who took us to 3 finals in 2 years, and we won 2 of these games. And after this game, after he tactically outplayed the greatest coach of all times, arguably one of the greatest coach of all time, Pep Guardiola, I think he deserves more. Man United looked a complete different team, and I just want to see more of that season. And honestly, please, I hope that Ineos group जो है वो एरिक टेन हैग को नहीं सैक करते, because I believe बल्कि कि he'll do better next season. I'm sure. We are in the Europa League qualifiers. Thank God we're not out of the Europe, because FA Cup अगर आप FA Cup final जीत जाओ तो you automatically qualify with the qualifiers of the Europa League, which I hope and I believe that we'll win, and we would play Europa League Thursday night football. I know it is not according to our standards, but it is still better than playing no football. And the best thing is that we have made Chelsea go down to the Conference League and no Europe for Newcastle. So I think it's a win-win situation being a Manchester United fan. I could not be more happy. The trophy lifting was amazing. Rashford in tears, Kobe Mainu and Garnacho hugging the manager, Eric Ten Hag and Sir Alex Ferguson checking his watch again and again, doing the Fergie time. thing. And then obviously when we won the cup, Sir Alex was smiling and he was singing "Glory, Glory, Manchester United." I think these type of things just make me so happy to be the fan of this beautiful football club. I know I'm very excited. I have to be very excited. This is the second trophy, and this trophy is better than Carabao Cup. Obviously, this is the second biggest trophy you can win after the Premier League in English football. And yeah, I'm very excited. I want Eric Ten Hag to stay. I want him to do some good transfers. Now that we are obviously going to qualify for the Europa League, we might have a better pull. And you saw what he has done with Garnacho and Kobe Manu. We literally developed two young players who are now scoring in the FA Cup final against the fucking best team in the world. So I think अगर youth player development में बात की जाए तो एरिक टेन हैग से बेहतर यूनाइटेड के लिए इस वक्त कोई भी नहीं है. बाकी आई नो पोचेटिनो जो है वो भी फ्री है, उसके अलावा थॉमस टूकल भी फ्री है. इप्सविच टाउन का मैनेजर जो कि ओले के साथ असिस्टेंट था, उसको उसका भी माइंड बनाया जा सकता है. बट प्लीज फॉर गॉड सेक डोंट सैक दिस मैन, गिव हिम एन अदर सीजन. कुछ आई एम श्योर कुछ बुरा नहीं होगा. आई एम नॉट सेइंग दैट वी आर गोना विन द प्रीमियर लीग ऑल ऑफ अ सडन, बट गिव हिम अ सीजन, give him the time, give him the budget, and let him buy the players he wants to. Let him sign everyone he wants to, regardless of the money, regardless of any bullshit. अगर वो कहता है कि मुझे ब्रेथवेट चाहिए सेंटर बैक, उसको ला के दो. ये नहीं कि आप जो है वो चैंपियनशिप से या फ्रांस से कोई उसी रेंज का उतना ही महंगा प्लेयर ले आओ. जो प्लेयर वो बंदा चाहता है उसको लेके दो, एंड आई एम श्योर दैट ही इज गोना डू बेटर नेक्स्ट सीजन. Well, that's it for today, guys. I am super excited. I can't believe that we have defeated the best team in the world, but I'm very happy. Thank you so much for watching the video. I know I've been delaying the jersey review video, but it is coming soon, and I will also be telling you कि मैंने कहाँ से वो jersey ली and other jersey जो भी मैंने खरीदी हैं वो मैंने कहाँ से ली हैं. For a sneak peek, let me show you something. I'm back. So for sneak peek, just look at this beautiful jersey I got. And the best thing is, it has Beckham written on the back of it. Just check it out. We talk about the patches. The patches are in fact real, and obviously the Umbro label is also there, and then the quality is just phenomenal. This is the best football jersey I have in my collection, so I think I might have ruined that, and I might have given you a spoiler for the upcoming video. But I would tell you where I bought this jersey from, and you can get it at a very cheap rate because I would be giving you a special promo code. So yeah, I'm very excited for that video. Kindly click on the bell so you get notified when I post that video. Thank you so much for watching this video. I love you all. Thank you so much for always supporting and always being there for me. Glory, glory Manchester United, and I hope कि आप जिस भी टीम को सपोर्ट करते हैं वो भी अगले साल बेहतर करे, इससे बेहतर करे जितना उसने इस सीजन किया है. So yeah, thank you so much and I'll see you in the next video. तब तक के लिए अपना ख्याल रखें. Bye bye.